means some dog. It's a video bomb, not photo bomb.
Go full round.
Oh, I'm sorry. Surpass. We passed the surpass. We did one slide and we are going to do second slide.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Welcome.
We'll share this, Shankar.
Yeah. Bharat, how was the experience?
I asked
Yeah.
you are supposed to answer.
Okay. I didn't have breakfast.
So you are hungry?
Headache. But anyway, the sliding was good. I was not able to break with my shoes, with my rain pants. The fast was absolutely
Pace.
lightning. And I used the hands and then...
But how did you have the stick still? You used your hands, no?
I mean like this.
Elbow.
No, you used elbow.
Elbow.
Risky.
Elbow too. I had no way to go, but it's a good experience.
And there is one more slide ahead.
Slightly headache. I think the people there are going to slide from that. It's 4 kilometers. What we had now is
Just a street there.
it's a trailer.
So our ass gonna
Wet.
be wet. Very, very wet.
It's gonna be wet.
Okay.
It's gonna be wet.
Done.
It's gonna be wet.
I'm gonna stop it.
It's gonna be wet.